I can't believe people drive with all that snow on their roof. They'll get in serious trouble if they don't take that off. You know?
Yeah.
Don't you get major tickets and whatnot?
Major ones. Not just your normal. But
No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
We got to get up on the roof tomorrow. Get that snow off. The guy doing his driveway. Huh?
The kid thinks he's going to do that entire driveway. It's all the way up to around the back of his house.
You don't have a snow plow now or a snow blower, you're screwed. This is not like shoveling snow.